Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can create a genogram using Canva. So genogram is similar to family tree, and you could find the example on Google Images like this one. So the design is actually not very complicated. You can see that there is only a few elements, like there is a square, circle, and there are a few lines that connecting each member of the family tree. So this design is actually not difficult to create, especially using Canva. And in order to create that, first you have to open a document. I do recommend using a rectangular document, because if you have a really wide family tree like this, then you want to make sure that the document canvas is big enough. After that, go to the elements option, and here you want to go to the shapes option, click see all, and we want to insert square. So squares usually represent male member of the family, and I'm going to change it to blue. And let's go to elements again, click shapes, and I want to insert circle. And circle is usually used for a feminine family member, like a grandmother or your mother. That's usually represented by a circle, and you can also change the color if you want to. So this is just one example. I'm not going to create the whole family tree like this. It's just going to take too much time. I just want to show you the basic of it. And I'm going to create a line connecting between this grandfather to grandmother. And in order to do that, go to elements, click shapes, and you want to insert a line. There are many lines variations. I'm going to select this one. And now on this line, you want to go to the line type and select elbow. And then you can click on the dot on the anchor point and then connect it to the shape that you want to connect together. Also make it narrow, make it much wider, and later you can add more line. So I'm going to create a line here. Maybe I'm going to put it in the middle, roughly in the middle. Okay, it's not in the middle. Okay, now you can see there's this angle. So I'm going to just copy shape and I'm going to paste it right here. Let's put it in the middle. And of course, you could always expand the design, the complexity of the tree if you want to. But this is just one very simple example. So you can also add some text in shadow shape. You could double click on it and you can write like grandfather and it's smaller. And this is going to be grandmother. This is going to be the uncle. So yeah, that's just the basic of it. Of course, there are so many other things you could add to the design. You could add more notes in the design, but this is just the basic of it. Basically, this is the only element that you need to create a genogram using Canva. Anyway, I hope you find this video helpful.